Laguna Gloria is one of the most magical places. It is this incredible oasis, 12 acres on the edge of the city, and it is a space that you can truly get lost in.
I think a lot of the time I hear from folks that they're surprised that this is where you get to see art and nature come together. And I think that that's a really enchanting experience for a lot of people and a surprising one too.
There are two of us at Laguna Gloria that work the grounds, myself and Postian. He's full-time, 40 hours a week, and I'm 30 hours a week. So that's only 70 hours a week for this 12-acre site. We are constantly taking invasives out, keeping the paths mulched, just to keep it looking beautiful.
There are a lot of things that go into bringing artwork to Laguna Gloria and having it on view. Artist commissions, insurance, shipping, installation costs, cleaning and maintenance. We have someone who works 20 to 30 hours a week only cleaning sculptures at Laguna Gloria.
I love that we get to share Laguna Gloria with our community partners and different audiences. Programs within the Jones Center are able to be expanded other programming opportunities at Laguna Gloria.
Trumbull Staves is a great example of one of these really beautiful projects that incorporates both sites in a really dynamic way.
Everything we do is in direct response to something that's happening at the museum. We're seeing up to 300 people every month for our Second Saturday program. Having the resources to find new materials that keep our programming fresh, just the sheer volume that we need to collect and prepare for our programming takes up a lot of space and it takes a lot of time. So having staff is just so essential.
In 2022, we had over 600 classes and we had over 6,000 students. We've had students come here and then their children have come and started classes here. It just shows that it means a lot to the community.
For the kids, it's really important to see that there's a whole world out there of art, of creativity. Exposing them to things like this might just be a life changer.
What entices me to come back is the environment. I think it's also being in a community of people who enjoy art.
And I don't get that opportunity on my own.
We really are grateful for something like this in Austin, and we think being members, you just support those efforts because we want you to still, be here for the years to come.
There's so much potential for what we can do at Laguna Gloria, and our curatorial team is so knowledgeable and passionate. But bringing new projects here requires coordination, collaboration, and financial commitment to bring these ideas to life.